again and welcome back to our FilipinaTrip channel. So for today, I'm very excited to show you guys yung aking binili online. I actually bought it in Lazada and dumating na siya today. So I decided to show you guys kung ano yung product na to and if it's very good or worth it to buy. So this is the thing that I bought. Actually, nabuksan ko na siya. So because I have to check kung, syempre, if it's damaged, I have to make sure that it's in a good condition nung na-receive ko siya within that day. So, I actually received it yesterday. So, I opened it already yesterday once I received it. So, I have to make sure na hindi siya damaged before I test it because, you know, it's very hassle kapag magre-return ka ng items online and it took a lot of time. So, mayroon pa akong isang order na ni-return ko last time because it's broken. So, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa dumarating. It's already 2 weeks. And hindi ko pa nare-refund yung aking binayad doon sa aking item na binili. At hindi pa ako makapag-reorder ng panibago dahil nga iniintay ko pa yung refund. So, this time I have to make sure nung na-receive ko siya nung araw na yon na walang damage. So, I opened it already. But this time, hindi ko siya nagagamit. But I already opened it. So, this is what you call a singing live sound card. Okay, so that's it. And actually, ito yung kanyang box. And ito na yung kanyang pinaka-loob at yung pinaka-items mismo sa loob. So as you can see, you will see the manual. And ito. And actually, it comes with the 3 wires na tinanggal ko na kanina. So ito na yung mga wires niya. 3 wires. And, ito yung pinaka-importante, syempre. So, it's a V8 sound card. Nung na-receive ko naman siya, naka-bubble wrap. So, it's very secured. But still, even sometimes naka-bubble wrap, meron siyang may mga bangas-bangas or damage minsan yung mga items. So, I have to make sure na na-check ko na siya. And, it's completely good. Looks really good. And, wala namang siyang damage. And, it looks really new. Because sometimes mayroon mga product na may mga gas-gas na. And as you can see, ito siya. Ganito lang siya kaliit. If you can see my hands, ganito lang siya kaliit. Ganyan siya kahaba sa aking kamay. So, it's very compact. It's small and very compact. And hindi na siya ganun kagaan. Even ganun siya kaliit lang. Hindi siya ganun kagaan. So, malalaman mong very legit yung item. So, ito yun. At ito yung kanyang back. Ito yung saksakan yung mga port kung paano siya i-connect sa iyong phone, sa tablet, sa iyong laptop, or sa iyong computer. So, I actually saw it in my friend's daughter na ginagamit. So, I decided to check it out if it's gonna be good because she sounded really good using this. Hindi siya ganun kamahal, which is actually very good. So, it costs only like 792 pesos together with the delivery fee. So, I will put the exact amount of the price of this item. And this time, let's try to test it na if it's really working. Okay?
Siya guys, I already inserted all the wires, the 3 wires that included dun sa ating box. So, the first one, I insert this into the company instrument. So, ito yung manggagaling doon sa iyong gadget. So, I'm using my laptop. For the sounds or the karaoke. Yan. So, I have to insert this in this part of my laptop. Yung pinaka-saksakan ng ating headset dyan. I don't know if you can see it. So, I inserted it there. And so, ayan na siya. Going to this one. And the next one is the charging wire. Kasi kailangan ng power ng ating V8. So, I have to insert this also to my laptop sa ating USB port. Yan. So, ito. I have to insert this here. Ayan. And the next one is yung ating earphone speaker. So, since I don't have headset, ang gagamitin natin is for the earphone speaker. So, if you have headset, we're going to use this one. And so, ito yung aking pinaka-speaker na gagamitin. So, this is my E103 microphone with a speaker. So, this time, gagamitin ko lang yung speaker. So, ito turn off natin yung ating microphone. So, meron ditong button Ayan, I don't know if you can see, mayroon dyang button na i-off ang ating microphone. So, let's insert the wire first. Okay. Dito sa bottom kasi siya. Since naka-insert na siya, on natin to. Ayan na, naka-on na siya. But, i-off ko yung microphone. Para lumabas lang yung sounds ng ating karaoke sa ating speaker. So, this is my BM800 na microphone. So, condenser microphone. So, matagal na itong nabili sa Lazada. Hindi ko to nagagamit kasi wala akong ganito. Okay, so this time, magagamit na natin siya. And all I need to do is insert this to this, yan, yung bilog na yan for condenser mic. Insert lang natin siya dyan. And that's it. Yun ang aking connection. Then, i-on lang natin yung ating power. Ayan. So, makikita mo, umiilaw na siya. And yung power natin is nagbi-blink. So, before, nang pinifigure out ko pa, akala ko sira kasi kailangan pala medyo madiin ang pagka-press mo dun sa power. So, ayan. Maririnig na natin yung sound ng ating YouTube karaoke dun sa ating speaker. So, yung speaker natin, naririnig yung sounds dyan. And yun, ilang ang ating power. So, here are the buttons na makikita mo. Ito yung tune mo para sa microphone from min to max. Okay, minimum to max. Maximum. So, ito yung echo bot or spin mo. Or button ba ang tawag dito? So, just comment down kung anong tawag sa pinaka button na to. Yan. So, ito yung power. Makikita mo yung power dyan. So, dito, makikita mo yung treble. Pwede mong i-adjust. Bass, record, music, and the monitor. Actually, kailangan ko pang i-figure out kung ano tong monitor na to. Yung record. I'm not sure kung para saan pa siya, kung paano siya gagamitin. So, let's hear all these buttons. I think it's mga effect, right? So, itong mga red button na to, ito yung mga button for the effects of mic. So, pitch bend, magic, match. Okay, tatayin lang natin to.
C major, shift to C major, D major.
Magic.
Shift to D major.
Shockwave. AC. Dutch. Yung mga button para sa mga sound effects. I guess sound effects. So, let's try yung cheer. Next natin yung embarrass. Next, yung gun. Next, despise. Next, yung debut.
I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
Next, kiss. Okay, next, slap. Next, clap. Next, pay attention. Kiss, next. Okay, song 1 and song 2. Let's try the song 1.
Dile, y'all, mile, pe mic.
Okay, song 2. Yung ating mic, try na natin siya kung magana. Maririnig mo naman again. Okay, so I'm just gonna try a song. So, you can hear yung pinaka-sounds niya. Medyo hindi lang maganda yung aking speaker dahil maliit lang siya, kaya medyo basag pa rin yung sounds. But since I don't have the headset or the earphones, yun na lang muna yung pansamantalang gagamitin natin. But next time, I will try to make a video for you guys using my headset or headphones once nakabili na ako. So, let's try this one more time and try this song. Will you still love me? Guys, yun yung mga functions ng mga buttons ng ating V8 sound card. And I hope this video could help you guys once you plan to purchase the same item like this V8 sound card. So yun yung aking setup without the headset but only with a speaker. But maybe next time I can show you guys kung paano ko naman isa-set up with the headset or headphones na once na naka-purchase na ako. So it's a good thing and it's a good product. For me, it's like 5 thumbs up. 5 thumbs up for me. And very legit naman yung product niya. So that will be the end of our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and please do subscribe to our FilipinaTrip channel. It's me now once again and see you again next time. Bye-bye. Stay safe, everyone. Bye. Good night.